wait for the recording to start, please. Okay, it started. So again, I'd like to welcome you all to today's introductory session. To introduce myself, I am Saud Kadri, GDSC AIKTC Technical Manager for the current academics, and I'll be your cloud facilitator. So to give my information about cloud, I have completed Google Cloud Readiness Program, and currently I'm preparing for Google Associate Cloud Engineer examination. So let's begin with the session. So the first point is, what is 30 days of cloud? So I say that it's experiencing tools used by IT professionals. So you'll be using tools like Kubernetes, Docker, and then Google Cloud Natural Language Processing, all these tools. So you can do sentiment analysis and entity classification as well. And there are many things you will learn, and do not miss this opportunity. That's all I can say. So it will help you to kickstart your career in cloud. So I will say not just cloud, but complete computer engineering itself. And for Mumbai University students, we'll be having it in the next semester as well. And then it will give you a hands-on practice on Google Cloud. So this is the tool that powers Google Search, Gmail, and YouTube. And along the way, you'll be practicing cloud computing concepts using Quick Labs. And in case you have any problems, we are here to help. So let's discuss the roles of each of us. So we'll be doing our roles and you do yours. Okay. So facilitator will be keeping you updated. They will guide you if you need it, and they will be publishing cloud related videos to YouTube. And members, you have to help each other because we want it to be participant to participant. In case the participant needs any help, then another participant who has completed the task, they can help them. But in worst scenario, we are here to help. Okay. And then be keen to learn new things. This is a very important requirement. You have to be keen to learn new things. Okay. You see in jobs, they say that we want an engineer who's enthusiast. In that way, here also we need learners who are keen to learn new things. And please respect everyone, because you don't know, means we have to help each other, and if they're wrong, then also you have to respect them. Okay. So the cloud today is continuing to grow at an unprecedented scale. So there's no catching to it, right? And cloud computing is basically delivering computing services via the internet. So the services can be data storage, servers, databases, networking, and software. So in case if you are aware of Firebase, which is backend as a service, so you must be knowing that you use databases and everything. So it's also some sort of a like service, and cloud is also a service. You can say it cloud as a service itself. And then it's very it's extremely cheap, to be honest, because it's pay as you go economics, and you're given enormous computational power at your fingertips, which was once possible only for the big enterprises. Now it's possible for all of us. We need enormous computing powers for technologies of our time, like AI, IoT, blockchain, and analytics, because they need huge computational power and huge storage. So the only viable option here is is cloud, not just Google Cloud, is cloud. So there are many vendors like Google Cloud itself, which will be studying. We have Microsoft Azure, we have AWS, and we have Oracle Cloud, as well as IBM. So you can choose any of these as per your requirements. So for containers, we can go with Google Cloud. Google Cloud is very well known for container operations. Okay. Then we will see a career in cloud. I say it's a good choice, because how much does a cloud architect make in Bangalore, in India itself? The average salary is 21 lakhs per year. So that's the salary of a cloud architect in Mumbai. And if you keep performing well, you can get as up to as 32 lakhs per annum, right? So it will be a very good salary by staying here in India itself, and it will be good for all of us, so that we can even contribute to Atmanirbhar Bharat, right? So this is so we are getting good salary, and we are here to contribute our nation itself. So that's good. And then let's see what news the cloud is making. So as we can see, the Tech Mahindra is using Google Cloud. Okay. Wipro is also launching a space for Google Cloud in Bangalore. And then we have AWS who is extending its cloud computing curriculum for educational institutes in India. And then we have SaaS, that is software as a service. So anything like Gmail, Google Meet, Google Docs, or Microsoft Office 365, everything that is SaaS. So we are India, we are in the forefront of it, and it is expected that we will take USA by the end of this decade. So this is a good thing for us. And as we all know, Apple, so they use 8 million TB of so they store 8 million TB of iCloud data on Google Cloud. Okay, so you can see Apple is also using Google Cloud. And then Microsoft is offering internships for cloud computing in India. And so here is Bikram Singh Bedi, who is a MD of Google Cloud India, and he says that cloud is the next big thing in India. Okay, so we have a good field in cloud here in India itself. So here will be the prices of all of the completion tracks. So if you complete either of the two tracks, that is either track 1 or track 2, you get these two things, a t-shirt and stickers. Okay, and if you complete both of the tracks, then you get all of these four things. So which will this is for just appreciating the efforts you have given to study the cloud. So I will suggest you to go for both of these, and this will be helpful for all of you. Okay, and then the next thing is, after the completion of this, you can even go for Google Cloud certifications. So I'll tell that this is a long journey ahead and lots of opportunities. Each step is a success. Okay, so as I earlier said, I am currently preparing for Google Associate Cloud Engineer examination. So here I am, and you can prepare for any of these examinations. And as you can see, professional cloud architect, these people are paid in India 21 lakhs per annum, as we have seen earlier, right? So I will tell you one thing. Even in Pune, we have lots of jobs. So you can get at least 8 lakh per annum. And in USA, if you go, I'm telling you, you can get 10 lakh per month. Okay, so that's a lot of salary you can get in cloud. But that's the demand of cloud today, and it's very important for everyone to know cloud, not just in technological fields, but even in business. Cloud is a game changer. And so you can go anywhere after this. So we can explore some sort of cloud certificates. Let's see. uh, so here you can see we can register for examinations. So suppose I prefer for Google Digital Leader, Cloud Digital Leader. So you have to pay $99 for the examination fees, and you have to give the exam as a cloud as a this on a Google form itself. It will be a proctored exam. Okay, so these are all the opportunities that are available to you. And we also can go for cloud software engineer, that is cloud developer, or cloud network engineer, CNE, anything. Okay, and these are all the opportunities available to us after we complete this program. Take each and every opportunity that comes in your life, and make sure you give the best for this program. Okay, let's end with this, with a quote from Swami Vivekananda. He says that arise, awake, and do not stop until the goal is reached. So that's a perfect quote for all of us who are just beginning the journey in cloud. So see you in cloud, and I hope that you perform exceptionally well. And in case you need any help, then you can ask us any doubts.
No, 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 no.
Yeah, perfect. So if you have any problems, you can just ask right now, so I can show you. I can show you that. Okay, I'm here to help. Yes. So what happens is that we haven't been officially informed about those peak candidates who haven't received the mail. So we're waiting for up to tonight's time, and we hope that you will get the mail. Okay. So in worst case, we will discuss that with Google as well. But there are many students, not just with this, not just in our campus, in campuses all around our nation. There are many students who haven't received them, so do not worry. And okay, so how to start? Okay, I'm showing you the how to start the syllabus. So here I am. Okay, so here this is the link that's in our WhatsApp description. You can come over here, and after that you can select any of the tracks. Suppose I want to complete track 1. I click on skill batch. Each skill batch you will get after a quest. I click on one of the quests. This is perform foundational infrastructure tasks in Google Cloud. I have already completed this one. So suppose I want to start this one. Okay, let's take Google Cloud Console. Okay, so I start with this one, and once you click start the lab, you can start it. Use subscription. Okay, and for this, and then after that you can start the lab and follow all the instructions given here. Okay, you get it. uh, will we get condition? No, these digital batches are accepted in HR as well. Okay, so like one out of three people in HR, they will accept your digital batches. So there's nothing like certification or anything. But these digital batches, they're accepted by companies. No worries about it. Okay. So if you have any more questions, then we are waiting here, so we can solve it all.
My friend didn't got the mail.
Yes, exactly. We are waiting for that up to
Yeah.
tonight's this night, and in case if it doesn't comes up, then we will talk to Google about it. Okay. Many people are
Okay.
facing this issue.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And can we skip a certificate and jump to? I actually didn't get your question, Abhishek. Yeah, so are you asking me that can we directly jump to Wait. So you can click any of these, whichever you find interesting, and it's not just limited to this syllabus, to be honest. But kindly wait for this official confirmation from our side. You can complete any lab you want from Quick Labs. Okay. So for Schwags, you need to complete this syllabus itself. Uh, which is any? It's your choice. Any. If I would have been in your place, then I would have started from first itself. Okay. Keep the doubts coming. And for those who didn't receive the Quick Labs credits, I guess they will need to contact this Quick Labs itself. So you have been given a mail, dsa@quicklabs.com. So you can contact them in the mail itself. Okay. Mm. Any more questions? No, you will get a card most likely that you have completed. No, you will get the skill batches for all of this, and with the swags, you can get a card which was given to us last year. So there's a chance that you have completed all the tracks and everything that card, but there's no need of certification because trust me, it's accept the digital skill batches you have. They are accepted by the HR. Okay, so there's no need for certification or anything like that. It shows that you have completed this aspect of cloud computing. Nothing else. Is
We
uh,
will get swag links after 30 days, na?
yes,
If we
yes,
completed in 10 days, so we have to wait till 30
yes,
days, na?
yes, or yes, of course.
Yeah.
Yes, and what did he say after completing this course? Okay, so I will suggest that it's a very good thing to come in cloud because it is the future, and people need cloud. I mean, it's no more a future, to be honest. We all say that it's future, but no, it's the present. Presently, many people use cloud. In Mumbai itself, we have this what Google Cloud offices, and in Bangalore, Hyderabad as well. So there are lots of opportunities for available for us in our home itself. So we can explore that, and but only do the things that finds your interest. Okay, because just for the sake of money you will go and do some job, then you won't find it interesting. So if you find cloud interesting, of course go for it. It's a very good choice. Okay. And after completing, yes, you will be getting swags. Okay, so after getting the swags, that's it. Means you will get the certificates, you will get the knowledge and swags. So it's a very good opportunity for all of you, and please do it honestly. Should we start any lab? But if I would have been in your place, I would have started with lab one itself. Okay, so we got a certificate of completion. Uh, Maybe that we will need to see about that. Okay, certificate of completion. I don't think it's there anything like that because it's all about this digital skill batches, not about certificates. But we will see if there's something about that, and I will inform. We will inform you about that.
No,
Yeah.
so I think he, I'm thinking that he's telling about, the certificate we get with our Swipe, like certificate
Okay.
of
Okay. Okay.
application.
So
I think it's talking
those are
about that.
digital skill. These batches, right?
No, 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 not that. When you get your Swipe, na, we get a small certificate of
Yes, that's
appreciation.
just a card. Yes, that's for appreciation.
A small card, a small
Yes,
card.
that's a small
And
card.
so, for newbies, just tell them about each and every time like that, what they will learn in track one
Hello.
and what they will learn in track two. Just give them a overview or
Your
brief
voice is
idea.
lagging actually.
Hello.
Yes,
Okay, okay.
Saud, I have done this program before and I
yes.
have got a certificate of completion.
So may I know which program was it? 30 days cloud readiness.
Yes, 30 days cloud program.
Okay, so actually we need to discuss that, and we'll see.
Yes.
Okay,
That's why I'm
no
asking.
worries. Everything will be given to you.
It's
Don't
like,
worry. Yeah, I understand.
okay.
Hmm. So we have to choose between quest and skill batches in syllabus. Actually, when you complete quests, you get after completion of quests, you get skill batches. Okay. Yeah. If you fail, it's up to like 5 times. But even after that, you can contact Quick Labs for additional quota. Okay. No, nothing like that. Not in one run. Anytime. I mean, 5 chances, and if you want more than that, you can contact Quick Labs for more quota. Do not worry about that. Any more questions? 27th. Okay, so you have to finish this all before 27th, and you can get even a second lab extra subscription if you want to explore more the field of cloud more. So for that you have to complete before 20th October. Both the tracks will be better, and I think most of us can do it in 1 week itself. So it must not take one complete month. You must explore other fields as you can explore other uh, quests as well available for Quick Labs. If you haven't got credits, so kindly wait up to tonight's today's night, and then we'll be discussing that with you tomorrow. Okay. I guess in worst case we'll need to. I mean, in I guess we'll need to contact this Quick Labs for credits because you have got the confirmation mail, but you haven't got the credits. We'll see. I guess we have to contact Quick Labs itself. So any more questions? And regarding this, whatever is there, we'll give you everything. We'll provide you with everything. And please help each others because that's how cloud study goes. Okay, help each others. Good. So I guess that's enough.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Thank
Thank you
you,
all
sir.
for joining the session. Stop the recording.